Hello and welcome to the Black Contractors Network. I know you're probably thinking, well, I'm not even a contractor. Well, guess what? You can still get involved with what we're doing here at the Black Contractors Network. We're all about breaking down those barriers between different groups in society and making sure everyone has an equal shot at success in life.
Dropping those excuses.
Let's talk about it, people. Do you want money or excuses? I've learned that everyone has excuses. It doesn't matter who you are or what you do. At some point in your life, there's probably been an excuse for why you haven't achieved something important to you. However, more often than not, the excuse is just a story we tell ourselves to make us feel better about our situation. That's why it's important for us all to remember that excuses are nothing more than stories. They don't hold any power over us unless we let them.
Loser! You're a loser! Are you feeling sorry for yourself? Well, you should be, because you are dirt! You make me sick, you big baby!
Are you in the right place at the right time? There is an old saying that goes, the harder you work, the luckier you get. The idea that hard work brings luck is not a new one, but there's also another piece of wisdom that makes this saying true. You need to be in the right place at the right time. You can have all the skills and knowledge in the world, but if you don't find yourself in a position where those skills are valued or required, then your dream job will remain just out of reach. In order for your dreams to come true, it's important for you to understand how opportunities will present themselves and what steps must be taken to take advantage of them when they do arise. You also need to be prepared whenever an opportunity does appear so that you can act quickly on it before someone else does, or even worse, before it disappears.
I'm Donald Trump, and I approve this message.
Are you a doer? If the answer is no, then it's time to start becoming one. Doers are people who don't let fear or excuses stop them from doing what they need to do. They don't let their past hold them back from making changes in their lives that could change everything for the better. Doers take action, set goals, and go after what they want in life with full force and determination until they get there. When it comes to money, doers don't expect others to give them something for nothing. Instead, they go out and earn their own money by taking on jobs that pay well or starting businesses where they can earn more money than what they would normally make at another job. And when they have enough extra cash saved up, these doers invest in things like stocks so that their money will continue growing over time instead of just sitting around collecting dust somewhere. Are you making progress in life? You are not making progress if you are not making changes in your life. You are not making progress if you are not learning new things. You are not making progress if you are not achieving your goals. Do you really want it enough? How bad do you want it? You need to be willing to work hard, learn new things, and take risks. You also need to be willing to make sacrifices and give up some of your free time. In order for you to get what you want in life, you have to develop a strong desire for it. If there's anything that can help us accomplish our goals, it's passion. When we're passionate about something, we simply won't let go until we've achieved success.
I'm not passionate about talking about this.
Excuses are just stories you tell yourself to make yourself feel better. They don't exist in reality. They are not true, and they will never help you achieve your goals and dreams. You can stop making excuses today. We all make them, don't we? We make excuses for why we didn't get to the gym, or why we had to skip our meeting and go home early. We tell ourselves that we're too busy to spend time with our family. We tell ourselves that there's not enough time in the day to do everything we need to do. And then life starts happening and it gets even crazier. And then we're making even more excuses. But what if you could stop? What if you could just say no for once? If you want success, you need to get past your excuses and do what needs to be done.
If it holds near and dear to you that you like to be able to, anyway, we're going to get a lot done.
Excuses are simply stories we tell ourselves to make us feel better. They are an easy way to avoid responsibility and avoid taking action. Excuses help us avoid failure. But the truth is that unless you take action and fail, how will you ever know if what you're working on is going to work?
You failed!
Excuses come in all shapes and sizes. Some are just silly while others can have a more serious tone. I don't have time. I'm not ready yet. I should wait until I'm less busy. If you want success, you need to get past your excuses and do what needs to be done. And remember that in the end, it's your own success or failure. So don't let anyone else bring you down. Please like and subscribe and share this video with anyone who might benefit from it.